Okay, today we are here at Bellevue to finish the installation of a 10 kilowatt. That we had done some part of the job the other day, so I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is the 10 kilowatt generator sitting on the pad. The gas connection is already done. Nice and clean. Goes all the way to the gas meter. We had to upsize the gas meter, so we did communicate with PSE, and they did the inspection and changed the meter. This transfer switch is going to be for some part of the house, for the gas furnace, for the lights, fridge, freezer, microwave, and it's giving the power to the panel in the garage. So we'll go take a look at what's going to happen next. Here we have two 200 amp panels. Transfer switch is going to be right here and feed some of these circuits that we have in this panel. We are going to start the job and we will give you an update when the job is done. We did put some part of the house on the generator, that's the transfer switch. We put the surge protector on this panel. They didn't have a surge protector, so it's going to protect their appliances. What we are feeding is the fridge, freezer, furnace, lights, and countertop outlets. We can do the test right now. As soon as there is a power failure, generator is going to sense it. Actually, the board here is going to sense the power failure. In 5 seconds, the generator is going to start. I can hear it. You might not hear it. Yes, it's working now. Between 10 to 20 seconds, it's going to switch like it right now. It's going to give the power to this part of the panel. Now, when the power comes back, it's going to wait 30 seconds to make sure everything is reliable. Utility, there is no fluctuation. And this mechanism is going to bring it back to utility. Then generator is going to work another 1 minute to cool down and goes off. So everything is done here. Now we will just connect it to Wi-Fi and we're good to go.